Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. This time the Uncorked case. I think it was or is from the Microsoft Excel World Championship South Africa Chapter 2025 finals. At least that is what I think. But yeah, anyways. Okay, map. So basically equals easy indirect of those cells in map sheet. Okay, what type of soul is in there? Soul type. Okay, okay, this is not or everything from the same type, so I need one of my color macros. You will find this up in one of the corners. And okay, and now how does it work? I'm not always in area 1, area 2, so I have to have the enter area and the replace area, and then why is it not open? Sometimes the case that it has not detected then everything. Replace based on color. Okay, here we go, and then we can use equals easy indirect for those cells and call map. Done. Count of soil types contained in the fields listed below. Okay, so we need to call the same area for both. So let's say we're starting here, A1 to this, and then to call the same for call map, and we then are using this for filtering. Equals rows filter when this field here is this, and this field here is the searched terrain type. Right? Calculation error? Yeah, 0. Okay, so far so good. Calculate the production potential per wine grape for the following fields. Okay, this is a little bit more complicated. Okay, no. So we filter the soil type based on the field. Okay, let's do this with the first one. And then we do a 2-dimensional XLOOKUP in here. So let's use index. Of this. x match of the filtered values in here, and x match of the grape types in of the grapes in here, and we get there some values that are adding up to this number if we multiply with 100 and 1000 and around. Okay, so far so easy. When everything is fixed, it should work. Yeah, it works. Okay, now it is complicated because we should add there some additional logic. Potassium on-field the ideal N would be 38. Okay, yeah, this is this. On the field first cell. Okay, don't understand this currently, but will do. Field soil type map N map P map K NPK all flat. Now okay, create from selection. Is this 9? Yeah, okay. On the field, the producing Shiraz, the ideal. Okay, ideal. Therefore, N is 5 more than ideal. Okay, so we basically want to aggregate the percentage difference. Okay. Oh, is this also important? Too much information for me to comprehend. Calculate the production potential of wine grapes requires micronutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Yes. Below the ideal nutrition contents per grape given per block, per cell. Macronutrients. Absolute. Oh, it uses the. Okay. Okay. So equals 43 divided by 38 is then -1. Okay. I don't know if I have to round, but let's see. Okay. Okay. Not data table this. Okay, interesting. example 5. Anyway, so filter field if field equals this here equals filter soil type if field equals this here, and then n p and escape. Okay, the searched per right grape, so equals x lookup grape in here, returning those values. All of this divided by this. ABS -1, 17.2, 9.4. Okay, makes sense. On duplex as a potential reduced. Okay. Now it makes sense. It's quite easy. Bio sum. And then we want to have the potential for soil type and this here, so equals index for X match this here in here and X match the grape in here. Yes. And then this minus this. What is the answer? Why is this not working? Yeah, makes sense. What is the rounding? The rounding should be 2 decimals, so equals sum times 1000 and then round 2. 81, 100, B1, B4 should be calculated fast. Okay, not working. I should do this dynamically. Okay, new run. Okay, this level was easier than expected. The instructions were the issue, but I hate reading, so might also be myself. Yikes. Loki, yikes. Is this a rounding issue? Is this a rounding issue? Has to be. Has to be. Ugly. Oh. This might even be floating point or something like that. Oh, you should work with the unrounded answers. Or their unrounded answers. Okay. I can also not round. No problem. But this is then not proven to floating point error, but I do what is expected from myself. A few, most of them are right. I think here we're going into floating point territory, therefore I will do the following. Round to, let's say, 4 decimals, and round here, no, round here to 4 decimals, and then you see everything is right. Okay, bonus questions. Which cell on the map is the only colored cell not allocated to a field code? Field code? What is a field code? Is this a field code? Oh no. Is this something? Here, AU51. Which field, just the letter, has the most duplex soil? Most duplex. Filter, field, soil type equals duplex. And then I know we could also do this in a single group by function. Let's do this. Field, count A, sort order -2, filter array, soil type equals duplex, and it's M, and then we use intersection operator to get to our result. Which field has the highest number of different soil types? Pivot by fields and 2-row soil type. Do I even have to put this in row? Let's find out. Soil type, count, values are field, function is count A. No, you do not have to put this into. What is the answer? Which field has the highest number of different soil types? So I then do here count fs if this is larger than 0. Why this? No. 9 is number, yeah, sum minus minus 4. Most is 8, which is I. Using level 7 logic, which grape would have the highest production potential on field K? Okay, this here gets K, and this is a grape. As of now, there's nothing in there, but we have like 4, and then we know it's Wait, what is ask? Which grape? Okay. And it's Chenin Blanc. Using level 5 logic, which field has the highest production potential for any single grape? Okay. Copy level 5, B5, and then permutation array. We have how many fields do we have? Equals unique field. Drop the first row equals this, and our grapes and to call. And we have 76 things to do. Sequence 76, and then we simply do an x lookup here equals x lookup for this, in here returning the number here, and yes, I know, give me number 1, and this is then equals left 1 and equals right len -1. And let's simulate 1 to 76, B1, B4. Okay, for the first time doing this case, the live run isn't going that bad. So yeah, kind of with this color macros and a few lambdas, an easier case, but fun to do. It reminds me a little bit of sommelier, also about wine. And then let's sort, not sort type, sort 3 minus 1. And what is ask? I think the field it's G. Okay, 12:50, around 20-22 minutes. Cool case. Nothing too special. I think here the rounding is a little bit of a trap, especially with floating point errors. But besides that, interesting, good use of color macros. As said, you find them somewhere in the description. And yeah, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye.